Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the NFC tile on your Vivo phones. So if you're tired of digging through settings every time you want to make a contactless payment, so the easiest way to manage NFC on your Vivo phone is through the quick setting panels or the notification shade. So this tutorial will show you exactly where to find and manage the NFC tile shortcut on most Vivo phones. So what you need to do in here, just swipe down on your phone, swipe down twice like this to open the quick setting panels. And now click on the edit or the pencil icon at the top to customize the tiles. Now you can just scroll to the inactive or this one, the tiles that hasn't been added to the quick panel settings, and just find the NFC icon, this one in here. Now what you need to do is just drag and drop the NFC tile to the top row for instant access, like this. Now you can just click on the back button and the NFC now has been added to the notifications panel, and you can easily enable or disable it. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.